could house a foreign exchange student or entertain someone from another country, what would you want them to experience in your community? In Tagalog, kung maaari kang mag-alaga sa isang dayuhan o exchange student o mag-entertain ng isang tao mula sa ibang bansa, ano ang nais mong maranasan nila sa iyong komunidad?
Ang nais ko pong maranasan nila ay ang pagsama-sama ng bawat Pilipino sa isang event katulad ng ganito, katulad ng mga foundation, fiesta, dahil sa simpleng event na ito ay napakadami nilang gawin at matutunan sa mga Pilipino. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that short and brief answer. What is the most pressing environmental issue today and how can it be addressed? Sa iyong palagay, ano ang pinakamalubhang isyong pangkapaligiran ngayon at paano ito maaaring tugunan?
Para po sa akin, ay yung kung paano po sila magtapon ng basura, sa kung paano po sila hindi maging responsable, at matutugunan po ito sa pamamagitan ng pagkakaroon ng respeto sa sarili at responsable po. Yan lang.
Thank you so much. And number 2. Barangay Ryutuba is known for its beautiful surroundings and strong community. As a youth ambassador, how can you help promote unity and pride among the people of Ryutuba? Ang barangay ng Ryutuba ay kilala sa magandang kapaligiran at matatag na komunidad. Bilang isang ambassador ng kabataan, papaano ka makakatulong sa pagtataguyod ng pagkakaisa at pagmamalaki sa mga mamamayan ng Ryutuba?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Well, Ryutuba is blessed to have such beautiful seas, beautiful forests, mountains, and rivers. As youth ambassadress, I will promote unity and pride by being a good role model of our community, by being a good server and as a strong woman who can stand for our community, not just for our community, but for the future of our environment. And I thank you.
If technology can play in addressing social and environmental challenges, anong papel sa tingin mo ang maaaring gampanan ng teknolohiya sa paglutas ng mga hamong panlipunan at pangkapaligiran?
Thank you for that question. We all know that technologies are something that high-end and upgraded. Technologies are something that maaaring makatulong ito sa panlipunan at environmental because it's upgraded, and also maaaring makatulong ito para mas mapadali, mas easier ang paggamit nito, and also may mga technologies na maaaring mapadali at maging masagana ang buhay ng isang tao kapag ginamit ang technologies. Yun lamang po, and maraming salamat.
Itin ko, how do you define women empowerment? And how would you empower others in your community? Para sa iyo, ano ang women empowerment? At sa papaanong paraan mo mai-empower ang ibang kababaihan sa iyong komunidad?
Thank you for the wonderful question. Para po sa akin, mai-empower ko ito sa pamamagitan po ng isang mabuting babae. Hindi po yun kagandahan, hindi yun bumabase sa panlabas na anyo. Ang tunay po na ganda ng babae ay bumabase sa ating kalooban. If you don't have a good heart, where is your beauty? But if you have a good attitude, it makes you much beautiful. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. Use your platform to promote awareness about the importance of mental well-being. Papaano mo gagamitin ang iyong plataforma upang itaguyod ang awareness tungkol sa kalagahan ng mental health or kalusugang pangkaisipan?
As a beauty queen and as an advocate of suicide awareness and prevention, I can promote mental health awareness by taking this opportunity, reminding everyone that they are not alone and they have never been. Because as someone struggles in their mental well-being, I know how it feels like when you're in your darkest moments of your lifetime. And I don't want others to be in that situation. And as an advocate and as a beauty queen, I believe that I can help raise awareness about mental health through this opportunity. Because for me, being a beauty queen and being a great advocate means serving with courage, responsibility, and inspiration, so no one left behind in this generation. Thank you.